Bigfoot. People probably think I'm Bigfoot now. Oh crap. I just realized that. I probably stepped in poop. Please no. Please no. Okay, I'm good. We good? Alright, yeah, where's your flag? Come on. First one. No, let's go here. Let's go here.
I thought we were walking on concrete block. That's why I didn't put tennis on.
Your turn.
You barely even have anything.
Burn.
Actually, small and toddler.
It's, well, close. Not quite, but close.
Your haircut is strong.
I think Lily and Lorelai might wear the same size
We do wear
in shorts.
Wow.
Your hair is
look
actually chopped.
Wow, you look like a toddler, you act like a toddler, and you wear toddler's clothes.
How do I look like
Dang, and you have a mind of a
I'm
toddler
literally
too.
5'2", man.
Let's just go right here.
Have fun.
We got a ways to go.
Life was good when I was a kid. We used to eat those back in my day. No, back in my day, we would just rip them open. Yummy.
Hey, Vince. We need to chill with this.
When you would get splintered, you wouldn't complain. No, you wouldn't. You would just go on with your day. We didn't have tweezers. You think we had tweezers? We didn't have tweezers back in my day. People are so whiny these days.
Okay, too hard. All right.
Yours is probably big enough to good.
No,
Okay.
do you guys see the beast? It's a dog. So now there's another side of the plains. They are great also. And there's a bridge. Now that's not so great because it's a little creaky. And if you were
Because you're on it.
if you were obese and you fell through, you would be cooked and you would not be able to get up. So they're not as great.
Yeah, maybe we're.
That was made by KK Fang Yen. And there's no dogs. And this is not as great of a bridge. You see the gooses?
I hope you have fun
The
in the water.
geese? You see the geese right there?
The
It
geese.
is great. You can go geese watching.
Turtle.
You can go, you guys see that turtle? You probably can't see it. But it's right
I did turtle.
it's right there.
Where is it?
It died. We should have a funeral. Anyway, so you see the water? It's a nice green color. There are people judging me, I can tell. Anyway, for your safety and the health of the wildlife, feeding deer is prohibited in the park. Just so you know. Just think it, don't say it. Anyway, so there's some we just walked across. One now on this side. Yes. Well. Anyway, so Vinny, would you like to say anything to the camera?
Yes. I've got a few things to say.
Okay, hurry up. We don't have all day.
Your forehead is so big.
You're talking to the camera, not me.
I'm talking to you actually. Your forehead's so
He doesn't
big
have
you
anything
could
to
just
say to
play-
you.
It's literally bigger than our TV.
Just ignore him. So, here's some more planes that are also great. And some trees.
That whenever you sat down to eat your SpaghettiOs, you didn't know where it was.
I don't eat SpaghettiOs.
You didn't know where it was because it was between the two lumps in your belly.
I don't eat SpaghettiOs. I don't eat SpaghettiOs. Now, you see a car somewhere in there. So now we're going to go on a scavenger hunt. We're going to go on a scavenger hunt to find our car. So, if you would like to come along with me, that would be awesome.
It's over there.
Where?
We made it. Look how far we walked.
We walked 5.2 miles. Just kidding. It was a joke, everybody.
Alright, let me see, look.
Father wants the camera. Goodbye, everybody.